If your hair is looking brassy or dull or just tired, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to be using the Kristen Ess kit to completely rejuvenate and revitalize my hair. It's looking a little bit dull, so I'm going to do an at-home color kit, no damage, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what shade I'm using, how long I leave it on, what mistakes most people make, and why most home glosses end up ultimately failing. This takes under an hour from start to finish. Let's get straight into it and completely change my hair. Let's do this. One, you want to start with clean hair. Now, I just washed and completely deep conditioned my hair yesterday. Super important to not have super oily, greasy hair. That's going to have the product not completely penetrate into the hair follicles correctly. So you want to make sure that you're starting with clean hair. So that's step one. Step two is you are going to go wet your hair entirely. So I am going to go dunk my head in the shower and make sure that it is wet. My hair is damp and I'm just going to take a brush and start brushing through it very gently. The most critical mistake that you will make is not putting on a t-shirt that you do not care about. It will get destroyed, your clothes will get destroyed. Please use a t-shirt or something that you do not mind completely destroying. Section your hair off. I like to do mine in twos. Now you just start applying. There is no method to the madness. Just apply evenly throughout your hair. Make sure to get the ends. I see a lot of people do not fully saturate their ends, and the ends get the lightest. Set a timer for 20 minutes, 2, 0, and this is about halfway through. It's exactly what it's supposed to look like. Okay, another mistake I see people doing is they use a clarifying shampoo after putting any sort of color deposit on their hair. Do not use a clarifying shampoo, use a light, gentle shampoo.